So this is an old microwave that just broke, and I'd like to salvage the transformer and maybe the high voltage capacitor and even maybe the magnetron. So today I'm going to show you how to open it all up and maybe take some of the parts for future use. Let's get started. So I see a lot of screws along the top and down here, over the top and on the back. So I'm just going to start unscrewing them and see where I get. So I just took all those screws off, and I managed to open up the top, which has something in there, which I'll show you in a minute. And then down here I took the bottom off, and it looks like this is the light. It has the two wires coming off of it, which might be nice to use later. These are the vents, and then there's something in there. Not exactly sure what it is. Yeah, we'll find out about that maybe in a little bit. I actually just thought about it, and I think that this is what turns the table that's inside, so that you get a rotating thing, so it cooks evenly. So that might be nice to use in a future project, that motor. It was at this moment that it got too hot and my phone overheated. So I just realized that the video turned off because my phone ran out of storage, but I managed to get the back off by sliding it off. And here's the big transformer. There's the capacitor down there, and there's all these other little parts in here. There's also this motor back here that drives the fans. So yeah, I'll do more taking it apart. So I just took the motor out of this area, and it's actually quite cool how these fans work. They turn like this, and it blows air. They both turn together in that direction, which blows it across this filter. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. I just took the high voltage capacitor out, and it's actually pretty cool. It has some nice weight to it, and I don't know, it looks pretty cool. So I just did a few things here. You may have seen I took the motor off, and I uncovered this light actually in the top, which I did not know was there, but I guess it makes sense to illuminate whatever's cooking. And I noticed that there's another motor up top, although I'm not sure what it does, but yeah, more to find out. Also, there's another motor under there, you see. I'm not sure what that does either, but let's find out. So I'm very excited right now. I just got out the piece that perhaps is the most wanted piece that I really wanted. It's this huge transformer. And it is heavy, like it's a ton of metal. All that windings and everything. It was sitting right in there. You can kind of see where it is. It's kind of dark. But yeah, I also got this box up. You may not have seen it, it was a little bit off. And I'm finding all of these little pieces that I don't know what they are. Like that, and this thing, it says 57. I'm thinking maybe they're like temperature gauges or something. Let me know in the comments down below if you know what they are. I'm super excited now as well because I just found the magnetron. Sounds like some futuristic thing. And I'm actually kind of surprised. I mean, it says magnetron on it, but I'm actually surprised that it's made by LG because this microwave is made by Kenmore. So that's a little surprising, but I'm quite happy. I've gotten a lot of stuff out. Gotten a lot of motors. This is another motor that I got. Gotten the capacitor. Gotten the transformer, the magnetron, and there's still quite a few more motors to get out. Let's keep going. I'm trying to take some of these sides off to try to get at more of the electronics into the inside. And I took off some of the nuts off of these screws, but I'm still having a problem because some of these screws are from the inside, like on the top there. And I just realized where they were. I just went around and looked from the inside of here. And where's the screws? There's some over here. There's it. There's some up there. I don't know if you can see them. I just flipped the camera around. But they're inside, so I'm going to take those out right now. So I've been working on trying to get those screws out for the past 30 minutes, and I only actually was able to get one out. Another one I hammered out, so in total 2. Although there were 6 to get out, so I still have 2 that I haven't gotten out. But I just realized that this is a separate plate. So I think what I'm going to try to do is undo that screw and another screw down there. And, yeah, see if I can get this to come off. And it happened again. So my phone turned off recording. I think it either ran out of memory or it was too hot. But you couldn't see, but I've been working on that for a long time, and I finally had a breakthrough. I got this plate off, which is actually really, really good. It's exactly what I wanted to do. And you can see that this is a motor that turns by the motor outside here that I've been wanting to get off. So that's really good. I'm going to see if I can keep doing time lapses. I might not be able to. It's really hot out here. I don't know if you can tell, I'm steaming. All the metal's super hot. It's reflecting all the sun everywhere. Yeah. So as you saw in that video, I just got that piece off, and I got this motor out, and that's good. And over here, this is the plate, and you can see if I turn it over, there's this ring inside which goes to that. I'm not sure what it is, like an induction coil or something. If you know, please write in the comments down below. So I just got out the tube here, and I guess it's actually a heater, and it heats up the oven, so it might be useful in a future project.